In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the center console lid on your Pontiac Grand Prix in case it's damaged or if you're just looking to replace or upgrade. And this is right now on Nexus Auto. So removing is actually pretty straightforward. Some may look around and try and see if you got to take out the screws that go around the edges. You don't have to worry about that at all. All you need to do is take out these screws here. Now it uses a T10 Torx bit. Pretty straightforward. Screw number one. Screw number two. You can already see how it's just dropping off. It's all that holds it on is those three screws. And there that goes. So now you get your new one. You can see why I'm replacing it here. That is my old one, torn up. Even after I've protected it and treated it and everything over time, that's what happens. You're resting your elbow, whatever. And that's the new one there. So I got the nice stitch around the edge too. And then when it goes on, it's the same way. So you just line it up. Line up the notch. There's a notch here. And line up your holes. And if everything goes well, it should, because this one notch over here, there's no flex, there's no move, it should all just line right up. One screw. Seems I have oh, there it is. While holding it, just when it starts getting closer now, just make sure it lines up correctly. And I won't over tighten yet. I won't tighten it at all actually, until I know these screws have also gone in. It shouldn't be able to go in any other way. Especially once that notch there is lined up, but just in case, you want to make sure the other screws are in as well. Not a lot of play room with it, so. And also be careful that you don't cross thread. You know, you want to make sure you're screwing in correctly. And these just go to hand tight. You do not have to over tighten them. There's no real torque specification. Just go to hand tight essentially. That's one. That's two. That's three. All done.
Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. May not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments, so make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.